Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay late taxes. First, we'll cover the penalties you might face for not filing or paying on time. Then, I'll guide you through the process of requesting an extension if you need more time to prepare your return. Finally, we'll explore various payment options available to help you manage your tax debt effectively and avoid further issues. When you pay taxes late, you typically face two main penalties, one for filing late and another for paying late. The late filing penalty is 5% of the unpaid taxes for each month or part of a month that a return is late. The late payment penalty is 0.5% of the unpaid taxes for each month. Additionally, interest accrues daily on any underpayments, so addressing the issue promptly is key. If you can't pay your taxes in full, several options are available. An offer in compromise allows certain taxpayers to settle their tax debt for a lower amount than what they originally owe. You can also set up an installment agreement to make manageable monthly payments over time. Furthermore, if you have a reasonable cause for not paying on time, you might qualify for penalty abatement. Remember, gathering all your tax documents is the first crucial step. Don't hesitate to contact the tax authority directly. They can offer personalized guidance and clarify any specific questions you have about your situation. Taking action quickly can help minimize penalties and interest. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Planning ahead makes a big difference, both with taxes and with your meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.